Okay, good morning once more, JSS students. I hope you are safe. Last week we did triangles. We discovered the sum of angles in a triangle, and I discovered that most of you are still finding it difficult. Then what if I ask you to find the sum of angles in the world, or the number of people in the world? It's only God that can answer that, and that is why we must honor God, we must honor Jesus. So wherever you are, make sure you are honoring Jesus. This morning we have polygon. And I pray that God give us divine understanding and we will study this in Jesus' name. So we have polygons, and what are polygons? Polygons are plane shapes with more than two sides or angles. That is, it can be three or more sides or angles. Polygons are named by the number of sides it has. If it has three sides, you call it triangle. Four sides, quadrilateral. Five sides, pentagon, and so on. We have regular polygons and irregular polygons. Regular polygons are those polygons with all the sides or angles equal. Irregular ones don't have any definite side or angles. Now, interior angles of a polygon are angles inside the polygon, and the exterior angles are those ones outside the polygon. So we'll be looking at interior and exterior angles of a polygon. If you look at this polygon, these angles that are inside are called the interior angle, and these ones that are outside are called the exterior angles. Then we have sum of angles in a polygon. Okay, so if you can look at these are polygons. These are polygons. You can see triangle, rectangle, square. This rectangle and square, you can otherwise call it quadrilateral because they have four sides. They have pentagon, nonagon, decagon, and rest of them. So these are just polygons. So we'll be looking at sum of angles in a polygon. And the sum of angle in a polygon is given as n minus 2 or bracket 180, where n is the number of sides. So the number of sides is what? N. Let's solve just example 1 so that you understand what we are saying better. Alright, find the sum of angle in a polygon with 4 sides, which means n is equal to what? 4. That is 4 sides. And what is our formula for finding the sum of angle in a polygon? Sum of angles, let's put it this way, is equal to n minus 2 or bracket 180 degrees. And our n is what? 4, correct. So we have n4 minus 2 or bracket 180 degrees. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. 2 times 180 degrees is equal to what? 360 degrees. So the sum of the angle in a four-sided polygon is equal to 360. That means in a square or rectangle or parallelogram or trapezium, the sum of the angle must be equal to what? 360. Let's look at example 2. Example 2 says, find the sum of the angles in a regular hexagon. What is the side of each angle? What is a hexagon? How many sides has a hexagon? Look at this. Hexagon has how many sides? 6 sides. So n is equal to what? 6. So the sum of the angles now will be sum of the angles in a regular hexagon is equal to n minus 2 or bracket 180. N is what? 6. So you have 6 minus 2 or bracket 180 degrees. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 times 180. Which will give you 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 8 is 32, carry 3, 4 times this plus 3, 7, 4 times, okay, 7, yes, 720 degrees. Alright, now look at the second question. You say, what is the size of each angle? What is the size of each angle? Since you know that the sum of the angles are this, the sum of the angles is this, then if you want to find the size of each angle, just divide the sum by the number of sides. Or you can use this formula. Each angle is equals to n minus 2 or bracket 180 all over n. And we know that the sum of angle is what? 720 divided by, what is the n? Is hexagon, so 6. Okay, which will give us what? 6 divided 1, carry 1. 6 divided 2. 20 degrees, 120 degrees. So each side of the polygon has 120 degrees. Let's look at this other one. Find the value of x in the polygon below. Find the value of x in the polygon below. The first thing you do is find the sum of the angle in that polygon. The sum of angle in a polygon, how many sides has it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a pentagon. So n minus 2, or bracket 180, which is 5 minus 2, or bracket 180, which will give you 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 180 will give you 540 degrees. So the sum of the angle is equal to this. So if you add all this, it's supposed to give us 540. So let's add all of them now. 2x plus x plus 60 plus 75 plus 25 plus x supposed to give us what? 540 degrees. 2x plus this will give us 4x plus, alright, you have this 80, 100, 160 degrees is equals to 540 degrees. So 4x is equals to 540 minus, let's this one cross, 160 degrees. So 4x is equals to what? 0. Borrow 1, you have 8. That is 380. Divide both sides by 4 to get your x. This cancel this. 4 cancel this. 1. 4 cancel this. 9. Remember what? 2. Okay, 95. So your x is equals to what? 95 degrees. I know you still have questions, but please forward those questions to my WhatsApp group. You can still see this small question remaining. You can solve it. If you can't solve it, ask me any question of any. Just go to your textbook and solve them. Anyone you cannot solve, ask me a question. I will forward the assignment to you. God bless you.